Do you know how bright light affects plants at night? Plants have two key processes, photosynthesis and respiration. During the day, photosynthesis uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, CO2, and water to make sugar, food, and oxygen. This happens in leaves through tiny holes called stomata, which open to take in CO2 and release oxygen. At night, photosynthesis stops because there's no sunlight, and plants switch to respiration. Respiration uses stored sugar and oxygen to produce energy, releasing CO2 and water as waste. This balance between making and using sugar keeps plants healthy, guided by their internal clock, which follows natural light-dark cycles. Bright artificial lights at night, like street lamps, disrupt this balance. These lights, known as artificial light at night, ALAN, trick plants into thinking it's still daytime, messing with their internal clock. This can partially restart photosynthesis, but since artificial light isn't as good as sunlight, it's inefficient and damages the plant's light-capturing systems, photosystems. This leads to photoinhibition, where leaves produce less chlorophyll, become stressed, and lose efficiency in photosynthesis the next day. Studies on urban plants, like shrubs and trees, show that night lights reduce respiration rates, meaning plants struggle to generate energy properly. This disruption affects the plant's carbon balance, how much CO2 they take in versus release. Over time, plants may grow slower, have weaker leaves, or produce less biomass. Trees in cities might delay budding or struggle with drought because night lights stress their water use systems. This can harm entire ecosystems as plants are less resilient. Think of plants exposed to bright light at night like you trying to sleep with a bright phone screen on. It messes with your rest and energy. To help plants, dimming lights or using shields can reduce stress. Scientists continue to study light pollution's effects, but the key is that plants need dark nights to thrive, just like we need sleep. By understanding this, we can make choices to protect our green friends in cities and beyond.